Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hemingway app to improve resume bullets for LinkedIn step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for the Hemingway app. Press enter to access the website. Look for the login option on the homepage. Click on the login button. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Type in your password. Click the Submit button to log in. Once logged in, you will see the main interface of the Hemingway app. Copy the text of your resume bullets from LinkedIn. Paste your resume bullets into the Hemingway app's text editor. Observe the app's feedback on readability, sentence structure, and complexity. Make necessary adjustments to your text based on the suggestions given. Focus on simplifying sentences and making them more concise. Use the highlighted suggestions to improve the clarity of your resume bullets. Once you're satisfied with the revisions, copy the revised text. Return to your LinkedIn profile. Find the section where your resume bullets are located. Paste the improved bullets into that section. Review the overall appearance and formatting on LinkedIn. Make any final adjustments as needed. Your resume bullets are now optimized for better clarity and impact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.